In my pursuit to become a great tattoo artist, I quit my day job, got evicted from my apartment, and sold my car, and I had to sleep on my brother's couch and walk 6 miles every day to the shop that I was working at. But what I knew is that all I had to do was become a really good artist, and that would be the solution to all my problems. If I had the crispiest lines, the smoothest black and gray shading, the most realistic work, then I would be booked, right? Wrong. What I didn't realize is that I needed more skills outside of tattooing in order to be a tattoo artist that was booked consistently. With these videos that I'm showing you guys that aren't related to tattoos, I'm trying to help you guys understand that being a good tattoo artist is just the first step. 9 times out of 10, your goal is not to stay at that shop forever. Eventually you want to open your own shop or your own studio. So what you're going to need to learn is these skills outside of tattooing. You need to understand business, you need to understand social media, you need to constantly improve yourself as an individual. And so these are why I make these videos, and I don't want you guys to get frustrated when you get to a point where you feel like you're good and you're not booking your clients. Check out my business playlist. Also stay tuned for the future videos that I'm putting out because I want to deep dive into other subjects and topics that will really help you guys push yourselves forward. I'll see you guys on the next video.